Plug in the power supply. Turn on P2S. Connect P2S to a computer via a USB cable. Click on the device icon to manage your device. Click P2S and connect. Click the icon on the upper right. In the Device Settings tab, locate the Optical Path Setup and click Test. Read the instructions before clicking Start. Ready these items and click Ready, Next. Click to move the laser module. Stick a piece of masking tape on the left side of the laser module. Click Next. Close the lid. Click Pulse. Then, reopen the lid. If the burn mark is within the green circle, it means a perfect laser beam passage. No need for calibration. Click Inside and Next. Click Done to finish the optical path test. However, if the burn mark is outside the circle, or cannot be found on the tape, it means optical path deviation. Thus, you need to calibrate it. Click None and Next for the calibration procedure. This is how to test for optical path deviation and laser beam emission. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.